Hello, teacher.
All right. So, did you take a break already?
Yes, okay.
Okay, good. All right. Let's proceed to our second session of our class. Proceed now.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So, today we're going to talk about
Vowel Y.
phonics, vowel, Y. Oh. What animal do you see at the pictures?
Mm, the birthday cake.
It's a birthday cake. And what animals?
Balloon.
Animals.
The basket.
Animals.
Animals.
Yes. What animals are they?
Rabbit.
Yes, that's right. Family of rabbits. Okay, this one. Can you please read this?
Bunny's birthday party.
Oh, all right, this one. Can you please read this?
Bunny will have a birthday party. Bunny's mommy will make a birthday cake. Bunny is very happy.
All right. So, what will Bunny's mommy will make? What will she make?
She make a birthday cake
Yes, she will make a birthday cake because it is.
because it's Bunny's birthday.
Yes, it is Bunny's birthday party. All right, this one. Can you please read this?
Bunny's family prepares for the party. Mommy makes the cake. The baby bunny blows balloons.
Yes. So, what is the baby bunny doing?
The baby bunny blows balloons.
Yes, he blows the balloons. All right, this one. Can you please read this?
Mommy puts a cherry and a berry on the cake. The baby bunny adds some candy. It's a dandy cake.
Yes. What is what is the cake called? It is called the
Can you
it is
say again?
what what is the name of the cake? It is a.
It's a dandy cake.
Yes, it is a dandy cake. And what did mommy put on the cake?
Mommy puts a cherry and a berry on
Yes,
the
and
cake.
how about the baby bunny? What did she put or he put on the cake?
The baby bunny adds some candy.
Yes, that's right. It is a very delicious. All
Teacher,
right. Uh-huh.
but is dandy a name or just a word or just a name?
What is the name of what?
The dandy cake is a name on the
That
word.
do you mean that the dandy cake is the name of
Yes.
it? Of the cake they are
No,
eating?
it it just a name or is the real life work?
It
Work?
is a type of cake, a flavor.
Oh,
Yes, a flavor. A dandy cake is a peanut butter and chocolate cake.
oh, okay.
Yes, it is called dandy, but uh, it is a mix of peanut butter and chocolate flavor. Okay? If you put peanut butter and chocolate together, it is called a dandy cake.
Put
All right.
chocolate together.
Chocolate and peanut butter flavor. Okay, it is called a dandy cake. All
Yes,
right.
okay.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please read this one?
Bunny is her birthday cake. The baby bunny eats some cake too. Mommy plays some bunny music.
What did mommy plays on
Mm,
Bunny's birthday? He plays some.
She plays some bunny music.
Yes, he plays some bunny music. All right. Okay, this one. Can you please read these words?
Party, mommy, happy, family, baby, bunny, cherry, candy.
All right. And what sound does this words make?
Mm, Vowel Y.
Yes, that's right. Vowel, right, party, mommy. It sounds alike, right? Each word.
Yes,
Yes, the sound ends with E, right? E,
yes.
party, mommy,
E,
happy. Yes, E. But it is
party.
yes, E. The sound of it is E. But,
E.
yes, E. But it is not long T also, because long T is different. Long T is evil. This is a vowel Y, because this is letter Y. The words end with letter Y, right? But is, the sound is T, okay? Or T, mommy. Alright, do you understand that?
Okay, I
Oh,
understand that, but
okay.
uh,
What?
but why? We call it Y, but in in a party is E.
Yes, it is a letter Y. Y is not a vowel, right? Do you know the vowel letters?
Mm,
A,
I
E, I, O, U. Do you
A
know that the vowel?
A
A,
A E I O U.
yes, A, E.
Oh, I know it.
Yes, that is the vowels, right? We have five letters, five vowels, right? But
Yes,
yes, but Y is not a vowel letter, right? It is a consonant letter, right? But it says here vowel Y. And what are the words, are the letters rather, that is vowel in terms of a letter? A, E, or T. A, E, I, or T, right? Ma, mi. It sounds like the I vowel, right?
yes.
Does that confuse you or do you understand that? That's why it
Mm,
is called vowel Y. Because Y is not a vowel, but the sound of it is kind of like the vowel sound, right? Do you understand that?
Mm,
Do you understand that?
I I didn't understand.
You didn't understand that clearly?
Yes.
All right. I'll say it on simpler terms. Okay. Why the letter Y is referred to as a semi-vowel? What does semi-vowel mean? Semi-vowel means that it is a speech sound between a vowel and a consonant. Okay? You understand that? Or it confuses more.
I can't hear.
Oh, you can't hear it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just type it on the chat box.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh.
Okay, so have you read it?
Wait, I'm reading.
All right. Do you understand it now? Or do you want me to say it in more?
But what is semi-vowel means?
Semi-vowel it is a speech sound between a vowel and a consonant. Semi-vowel, example of it are letter Y, the W, like uh like Y in yes, west. Yes and west are similar, right?
Mm, okay.
Do you understand that? Or do
But
you still want it in more understandable or simplest way?
what is referred?
What is it?
What is referred in in the in the mm,
I'll send you an examples. I'll type it on the chat box so you will understand it more.
in the simplest way? Why is called a vowel?
The simplest way, Y is called a vowel when it makes a vowel sound like a, e, o, u. For example, in cry, Cry, Y. The Y letter sounds like I. And I or E, cry, it is a vowel sound, right? Do you get that?
Wait,
You get it now? Or you still want me to...
what is consonant mean?
Consonant is the letters that are like B or B, K, those words, or those letters rather. Okay, I'll give you the letters that are consonant. Okay, these are the consonantal letters.
B, B, C, D, F, G.
The consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G.
B, T, M. Okay, I understand that.
Okay, so the purpose of the consonant sounds are made for blocking or touching parts of your mouth, like your lips or your tongue, like B, B, B.
B. Okay.
Yes, B. Your lips are touching, right?
Yes.
Yes. T, T. So your
T,
tongue are touching.
T.
So if your lips or your tongue are touching, when you say the word, you are saying the consonant sound. Okay?
O.
But if your lips or your tongue are not touching, then you are saying the vowel sounds like ah, eh, e. Does your lips are touching or no?
No.
Yes, that's right. Your lips are not touching. So just like these words right here, the vowel Y. Y is not just the letter Y is not a vowel, right?
Yes.
Yes, but if the words it ends up with this part E, it automatically sounds like a vowel sound, right? So that is why it is called vowel Y.
Oh, okay.
All right, do you understand that now?
Yes, I
All right,
understand that.
all right. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, this one. Can you please read this?
This is letter Y. Letter Y makes the sound party, baby, bunny, candy.
Okay, this one. Please read this.
Y, party. Y, mommy.
Yes. Okay, how about this one?
Y, happy. Y, family.
Okay, this one.
Y, baby. Y, bunny.
Okay, this one.
Y, cherry. Y, candy.
All right. And the words that you have read, what sounds do they make?
Mm, they make the vowel Y.
Yes, that's right. They make the vowel Y sounds. All right, this one. Can you please read each word?
Mm, cherry, family, berry, bunny.
Okay, this one. I will read the sentences and then if you hear me say the words that has vowel Y, you will clap your hands. Alright?
Yes, okay.
Alright, let's start. Bunny eats her birthday cake. The baby bunny eats some cake too. Mommy plays some bunny music. Alright, did you clap your hands?
Yes.
How many times did you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four times. And what are the words that has vowel Y sounds?
Bunny, baby, mm, bunny, mommy, bunny.
Okay. Okay, this one. Can you find a bunny? Circle the bunny.
The bunny.
Uh-huh. Circle the bunny.
Mm. This one.
Uh-huh. How about the candy?
The candy. This, and this, and this.
How many candies are there?
There is 6 candies.
Yes, there are six candies. How about the cherry?
Cherry.
Uh-huh.
Mm,
Oh, how many cherries are there?
There is 4 cherries there.
Yes, yes, there are four cherries. Do you eat cherries?
Um,
Cherry son?
no.
Oh, you don't eat cherries? Alright, that's okay. Alright, what are the animals doing?
Mm,
What are the
can you
animals
say again?
doing? What are the animals doing?
Mm, they are having a birthday party.
Yes, they are having a birthday party. And do you think they are happy? Are they
Yes, I
happy?
think
Yeah.
yes, I think
Yes.
they happy.
Yes, you should be happy when you have a birthday party. All right, this one. What letter should you put to complete the word?
Mm, ba baby is white.
One. Right. How about picture two?
Mm, bunny white too.
Yeah. And number three?
Cherry white.
All right. Okay, can you please read the words?
Baby bunny cherry.
Oh, okay, can you please read this?
Party mommy happy family.
And what does this word make sound of?
Mm, vowel Y.
Yes. All right, how about this one?
Baby bunny cherry candy.
Oh, all right, so that would be all for this session. What have you learned from this lesson?
Mm, I learned about mm, vowel Y.
Vowel Y. All right, can you give me words, five words that has vowel Y sound?
Mm, say
Say, else. Say, is say does have a vowel Y? I don't think so.
Oh, 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 yes, I won. I won.
Yes, okay. What words? Words
Bunny,
possess. What is it?
bunny,
Berry, yes. What else? Other
mm,
words. Other words can you think of? You say vowel
mommy,
Y. Money, yes, money. What else?
mm,
Think of any
baby,
else? Baby, yes. Last two. Two more words.
mm,
What do you think? Baby, mommy, uh,
candy,
berry, candy. Yes, candy. Last one. Last word.
mm, windy,
Windy. Yes, right. Good job right there. And what is the occasion for this? This
mm,
is, what is the occasion?
that is going white,
The occasion it is, who is having a birthday party?
mm, the bunny,
Yes, Bunny. And what did the mommy make for Bunny's birthday party?
the birthday cake,
Yes, the birthday cake. And what did the baby bunny do? What did he
mm,
help with? He helped with the,
with the candy.
yes, he put some candy on the cake. But what else did he do? He
His
blows.
blow balloons.
Yes, he blows some balloons. And what did the mommy put on the cake?
Mm, oh, the
She
mommy
some
put some cherry
cherry and,
and berry.
yes, cherries and berry. And what is the flavor of the cake? It's,
Can you say again?
what is the flavor of the cake? It's the flavor, the, the
Then
flavor
candy.
of the, yes, that's right. It's a dandy cake. All right, so that would be all for today's lesson. Did you learn something, Tom?
Yes, I
Oh,
learned about. mm, I
learn.
learned about long, long, long what? Vowel Y.
How about the first session? What did you learn from it?
I learned about mm, the ice ring.
Yes, that's right. Emma's birthday party. All right, so that would be all for today, and let's see each other in our next class or next week. All right?
Yes.
All right.
Good.
Okay, so that would be all today, Tom, and bye.
Goodbye. See
All
you
right.
again.
See you next week and good night. Okay, bye bye.